Hello traders, today is the 10th of February 2013 and the time in London is 7 minutes past 10 p.m. in New York, 7 minutes past 5 p.m. Happy Sunday to you all. This video is about the next step, Apple stock trading, okay? Let's get started because in the previous video that I posted at www.youtube.com/George Trio, one of our YouTube channels. The video we titled Apple Elliott Wave Analysis. We were telling traders that Apple has displayed a diagonal move followed by a vertical move. When everybody else was buying Apple in this zone, okay, we were telling traders, watch out. There is a high chance that Apple may come back to the pink line here, which is the opposite diagonal. This is the diagonal itself, which is the orange line. And we were telling traders that the price has a high chance to come near, okay, the pink line. And you can see that price went down for, okay, 2 months in this point in time, which is normal. And quickly, traders, late comers, late buyers came in, and okay, they bought it again to bring it to this level. All right, okay. It may be sometimes traders count their wave wrongly, and they may say that, okay, now this is the 4th wave. Okay, this is now, okay, the 5th wave. God knows. But I consider, you can see I put a yellow, highlight this in yellow. This is what I call a distortion. In my view, the price shouldn't go here, but there are various reasons why the price will do that. Okay, so I consider this as a distortion. This move from here to here as a distortion. We can move this session here to this level directly here. But finally, as the price went back above the previous high here, quickly, okay, it was rejected. And where it went to? Near the pink line. Diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. In this video that we title now, next step Apple trading, we're going to use okay, Fibonacci patterns. Fibonacci patterns to forecast the next move for Apple stock. By the way, do not get too excited because a forecast, okay, is just an expectation. We cannot impose our expectation on the market, but if the market, okay, is aligning with our expectation, we will take advantage of it. So don't use the forecast as the old-fashioned way when they will tell traders sell. A trader will sell and the next day the price go up for many weeks. That's not the way we trade. We want to take value signal fell, come out. All right, that's the best way forward. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS008 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-market.com and also www.dayprotraders.com for Fibonacci trading. So now, next step for Apple stock, what do we expect? Okay, now, in this scenario, I will use the Fibonacci tools because I consider the move from here to here as a distortion. That's my personal view. You can perfectly disagree. I will start drawing my lines because you have to keep your own trading style. Very important. I don't violate that for traders. Price went up from here to here. I will not go here because I consider this as a distortion. I will use my drawing here to do my forecast using the Fibonacci patterns. So in a normal condition, before we start talking about a bearish Fibonacci pattern or a bullish Fibonacci pattern, I will talk about the bearish Fibonacci pattern. We want, for the bearish Fibonacci pattern, we want to see an up move first. So price went up from here to this level here. I discount this one. All right, I have a reason for it. Do not laugh, okay? Do not laugh. I'm serious about it. I do it all the time, and I'm doing it here in front of you, so you know what I'm doing sometimes. So from here to here, all right, this is an up move. Now the price pulled back. I will not say from here, from here to here, which is exactly what? This line here, this level here, this is 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. I will put another line there at 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of my first green up move. I will color my new black, this one into black. I will color this one also into green. I hope you can see on your chart clearly like I do myself here. So there was an up move. Then there was a profit taking. This is what we want to look for before a bearish butterfly pattern will be formed. As I explained to you at the beginning of this video, a forecast is not a certainty, it's not guarantee, it's an expectation. If it's happening, we will take advantage of it. If it's not happening, all right, it's not happening. Don't force it, don't impose it on the market, all right? Be a faithful follower of the price, okay? Price pullback here, so we will call this, so I'm going to go into the mode of Fibonacci pattern. We call this point X for X-ray. This point here, because this was for my pink line, in fact, I'll leave my pink line start there. I'll move here. This is the X, the point X for X-ray. This point here, we call it A for alpha. As I explained to traders, that when a price coming near the zone of 400, give priority to bullish signal. Those who have done it should be now enjoying themselves because the price came near the lowest point was what? Was at the $435. It couldn't reach even the 400. So there were demand here to buy, and now the price is at 474. Not bad, isn't it? So give priority to buy signal above the pink line here. We will expect it. Talking about okay. Next step, Apple trading. We are focusing what Apple stock is likely to do, not will certainly do. You understand? Because trading is about probability, being flexible, adjusting to the current market sentiment, okay? Closing trade, opening trade, moving stop loss. All right, you shouldn't do it, but sometimes we do. This is the truth. So, and also securing your gains, all right? Going into the mind of other traders. Pay attention to the market, the S&P 500. It's above 1500 now. If you find a support going up, okay. Apple is what? Apple is a market leader for NASDAQ 100. Same thing for Google. Market leaders. We want to know what the market leaders are doing because they can change the dynamics of the S&P 500, which is the market itself. If you are trading in stock, you must watch the market leaders, okay? ExxonMobil is a market leader. Boeing is a market leader, okay? And you want to know them, okay? McDonald's is the market leaders. So you want to know what they are doing. So now, up move, this point we call it X, this is A. We are expecting, all right, Apple slowly but gradually to go up a bit into this zone. All right, this zone here, right here, okay, to go up to this level. All right, which means retesting, okay, this high here, up to that level. But as the price is going up like this, okay, I'm going to do something else that trader will find a bit strange, but because I use common sense a lot. But you are allowed because you are trading, you are making a decision. You can do what you think is right for you, okay? Instead of using this move from here to here for my Fibonacci retracement, for the XA, I will use instead this one, from here down to this level. I hope you understand what I've said now. Because normally for the Fibonacci pattern, up move, profit taking, okay, I should use this distance for my Fibonacci drawing, but I will not use that. I will use where the price went to. In fact, I'll stop here somewhere up here, down to this level. And you can see where I was telling you that the price will stop, which is equal to this level, because this is a distortion. It's the only thing. It's in fact the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here to here. Not from here to here, but from here to here. It's a bit confusion, but if you replay the video, you make sense. So from this level that we are calling A for alpha, S, A. Our projection, our expectation for B, we want it to be at 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level for the move from here to here. Though we label this one XA, we are using what the price has done from here, which I'm using the closing price. I didn't go all the way to the top. From here down to this level, this point is 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. When that happens, we don't know whether it will happen. The price can change direction at 38.2% retracement of SA. It can change direction at 50% as a lot of Fibonacci trader will try to sell because there's a, you see, the price did change direction here. There's a one hot spot trading zone right below here. Price went down, price changed direction. This is a hot spot trading zone. So there's a level here that trader will keep eyes on carefully, which is at a 50%. 50% is also hot spot trading zone for this level. If the price didn't change direction here, next level 61.8, 61 did not hold it, we're going to 76.6, 78.6. In my view, there's a high chance that they may bring it to 78.6 because of this high here, retested it here, okay? And we will have at that point in time, this will be our B, D for Bravo. So X, A, D. We are talking about bearish Fibonacci pattern. As the price reaches the 78.6% of the SA, the first bearish Fibonacci pattern that is coming to our mind is the butterfly, the bearish butterfly pattern. We'll expect the price to come down up to 88.6, between 38.2 and 88.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from A to B. This is this move. So the B to C. This point, that's what I'm calling C, can be either 38.2 down to 88.6 or even 100%. Can even come all the way here. So do not be surprised to, instead of stopping up here, that it may go all the way down to this level. If the smart money want to reassure themselves and buy at the best place, you may see something like this. But we'll leave it like this for now. This is just a market forecast, but you are aware of what the price can do, and we cannot afford to force our expectation on the price. If the price reaches the B for Bravo zone, which means you have A, B, C, because the price went to 78.6, we will be expecting it to go into the zone of 1 to 7% Fibonacci extension level. Okay? 1 to 7% Fibonacci extension level of this move from here to here. Alright? You see that I'm doing things a bit differently now. Instead of using this, I'm using now this one for the extension. Because I want to use a conservative target. That's why I don't want to use this one. I want to use instead this one. I can use both to go into the mind of other traders. But I will not use this one from here to here. I will use instead this one now for my 1 to 7 target zone. That will bring me, if I use from here to here to use my projection, do you want us to do it? I can do it. Okay, you will see that it will come exactly here where I put my red line here. Okay, you see here, there's 1 to 7. That's the red line here, which corresponds exactly to the previous, this highest high here. Okay, so because I did not use this as XA to do my projection to the 1 to 7, the 1 to 7 reaches this level. This is my forecast for Apple stock. We will see whether I am right or wrong, but it doesn't matter, because all I'm doing, I'm just forecasting something, and if it's doing it, I will take advantage of it. If it's not doing it, well, I'll follow the price. That's simple. So it's just like a child playing, okay, a bit of a mind game here, okay, to prepare myself for any possibility. And if it's taking place, well, we will take advantage of it. We will talk to our traders to take advantage of it. And they will take advantage of it. Right now, we see to trader priority to bullish signal for Apple stock above the 400 level. If the bullish momentum remains strong, the price may go even to this zone of 620 zone. Traders will take profit because why they should take profit here? As you see, this was a distortion here. Traders that were buying on top here, they lost. You understand the psychology of the butterfly pattern? You understand it, yeah? So they lost because they buy too late. So as the price approaching that zone again, they remember what has happened to them before because now they are buying from here. It's working nicely for them. Even some hedge fund manager bought it here. Amazing. Because they have money, though, they can do that, but it's the wrong place. So they will take profit before the price reaches this level, or they will secure their gain, moving their stop loss very close, or whatever, take profit even that, and you will see Apple stock will pull back a bit. As it's pulling back a bit, those who miss the boat here, so to speak, will say, well, it's not getting cheap again, so they will come again and buy. We will see whether that will happen. All this that I'm saying now, this is about technical analysis. One must check, okay? All news, there is some litigation concerning Apple about one company which I read on Google Plus last Friday, so check it. So you want to check what's happening with Apple stock, the product, the competition, especially against Android, the smartphone, Samsung, and the market share, the competition, and the cash flow, of course, the management, and the general market sentiment. Do not forget the training triangle, and we will see whether, okay, what I've said will be true or not. It will be nice if it happens. So if it is happening, ladies and gentlemen, we will take advantage of it. If they pull it back near this level, all right, this place 61.8% of the A to B, we'll bring it here, 1 to 7 of this move, okay, from here to here, will bring us again to this level here. I hope you have enjoyed this video about the a bearish butterfly pattern, how it will be formed. We are expecting it to be formed. We will see whether it will be formed or not. If the price reaches this target zone and Apple stock came out with another new product to defy all the competition and gain more market share or change the dynamics of the market again, it means it will break above the red line, retest it, and then continue the movement to the other side. In that case, we'll be talking about, okay, a crab pattern, and our target zone will be this level here in a zone of 771. But if, for instance, next week Saturday there was some crazy news regarding Apple stock, the price may change direction and come instead to do total retracement of the move that has started since okay, 2012, total retracement to this zone of 380. If there are some crazy news for Apple, bad news for Apple, well, if the 400 fails, then we are going to 380. We will see. Everything is possible, but we wish Apple stock, okay, the very best so they can, okay, follow this pattern. I hope you have enjoyed this video about the next step Apple trading, which is the continuation of the video that we posted at www.youtube.com/J.Rio, the Apple Elliott wave. This one is about Fibonacci pattern, and the title is a next step Apple trading. I hope you have enjoyed this video that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decisions. We are the GSTWSYS008 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Speak to you soon.